Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about structure of C program. So it is the basic structure. By following this structure, we can develop the programs because C is a structured programming language. So this programming language contains one structure. So you need to follow this structure while developing the programs. So here the first one is documentation section, link section, definition section, global declaration section, and this is the main function section. So in the main function section it has two parts. One is declaration part and executable part. So declaration part and executable part will be enclosed between these curly braces. Okay, next after that subprogram section. Okay, so this is user defined section. So let's see. C program consists of different sections which are as shown below. So documentation section, link section, definition, global declarations, main functions and subprogram section. Okay, so let's see one by one. So the first one is documentation section. Okay, so documentation section is nothing but it contains comment lines. So comments are nothing but which are used to give the details of program. Okay, like program name, author name and version, other details of the program. So the comments are not executable statements. So those comments are not executable. Okay, comments can be written anywhere in a C program. So you can write comments on anywhere in the program, and comments are also optional. So if you want to write, you can. Okay, so here there are two types of comments: single line comment, multiple line comment or multi-line comment. Single line comments are used to represent by double slash. Okay, so single line comments are used when only single line. Okay, so by using single line comment you can write only single line. Okay, multi-line comments. So by using this symbol you can write multiple lines of comments. Okay, so these are represented by slash star. Okay, the next one is link section. Link section is also known as header file section, header section. Link section contains one or more header files. Each header file consists of predefined functions. So if you implement any header file, so header link section starts with hash include stdio.h. So this is one header file. Hash include math.h. This is also one header file. So these header files contain predefined functions. Suppose here stdio means standard input output dot header file. So this header file is used to include all the functions of input output statements included into our program. Okay, so whenever you write input output statements in the program, so this header file is used to define the functionalities of that statements. Okay, so if you want to use the predefined functions, then we have to use include. Okay, and hash include statement, hash include stdio.h, hash include math.h. So here when we perform mathematical functions like sin theta, cos theta, like this, we can include math.h, square root. Okay, like that. The third one is definition section. So definition section is used to define symbolic constant. So if you want to define the constant values, then you need to use at definition section. So if you want to define symbolic constant, then we have to use hash define. So hash define is used to define the constant values. So here the example, hash define pi value. Pi value is 3.5 1/4. So here pi value is constant. You cannot change that during the execution of the program. Okay. So constant values are never change during the execution of program. Okay. So if you want to define the constant values, you can define on definition section. Okay. The next one is global declarations. So global declaration section is used to declare global variables. So variables are two types. So first of all, what is a variable? Variable is nothing but storage area. So it is used to store some space in memory. For example, so here int a is equals to 10. So int is a data type, a is a variable. Here a is a storage area in the memory which is used to store some value. Okay. So variables are two types, local variable, global variable. So what is global variable? All the variables that are declared above the main function. So this is the main function. So if the variables are declared above the main function, those variables are known as global variables. Such variables can be used more than one function. So you can use in any function these global variables. Okay. So the advantage of global variables is you can use those variables throughout the program, anywhere in the program. Okay. Next one is main section, very important section. Every C program should have one main. Okay. Every C program must contain one main section because program execution, C program execution starts from main function. Okay. It consists of two parts. One is the declaration part and another one is executable part. So what is the declaration part? So declaration part is used to declare the variables and that are used in executable part. Okay. So here it contains two parts. One is declaration part and another one is executable part. So here declaration part is used to declare the variables. So here I am declaring two variables. Those are int a comma b. So here a comma b are two variables which are integer type. So this means here a, b are used to store integer values only. So a is equals to 1 to infinity. Okay. You can store only numbers. For suppose a is equals to h. This is not possible in this type of data. Okay. So here you declared a comma b in integer data type. So you can only enter integer values into a and b. So this is the declaration part. A is equals to 10. A is equals to 10. B is equals to 20. Next, we are executing. C is equals to, we are taking one more variable, that is C. C is equals to a plus b. A value is 10, b value is 20 and C value is 30. So this is executable part. So when you use declared values, so that is nothing but executable part. Okay. So here printf sum is equals to C. So in C the value 30 is stored. Okay. So this is the main section. Main section is used to execute the statements and program execution starts from main section. Okay. The last one is subprogram section. So what is program? Program is nothing but it is a set of instructions used to perform one task. Subprogram is also a program, but the subprogram is used to perform one function. So this section consists all user defined functions. So user defined functions which are placed inside the main section. So you can define any number of sub functions, sub programs in the program. Okay. So first void main. Inside main you have declared one function. So this is sub program. This program is used to perform one task. For suppose a plus b. And next we are declaring one more function, and this function is used to perform a into b. So every subprogram is used to perform one specific task. Okay, so like that you can define n number of functions in a program. Okay, so by this class is completed. So structure of C program is very important. So in structure it contains documentation section. Documentation section is nothing but comment section. It is optional. Okay, next one is link section. Link section is nothing but header file section. So you need to include the header files into program. Okay, because header files contains predefined functions. Next, definition section. Definition sections are used to define the constant variables. Global declarations. So global declarations are used to declare variables. Those variables are used throughout the programs. Global declaration. Next one is main function. So main function is used to execute the program. So program execution starts from main function. The main function contains two parts, a declaration part and executable part. So in declaration part we can declare the variables. In executable part we can execute the statements. Last one is subprogram section. So this is user defined functions, user defined section. So in subprogram every function is used to perform specific task. Okay, the functions must be in main method, main function. Okay, so after main function you can define your subprogram section. Okay, so you can define n number of subprograms in a program. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.